do you normally have for breakfast? Is it kondo porridge, hausa cocoa, which is the millet porridge, oats porridge, cup of tea? Well, today I share with you another breakfast recipe, which is the semolina porridge. So put a pot of water on fire and then pour your semolina into a bowl. Add water to it. I like to do this as it prevents the porridge from becoming lumpy. So just mix it with water. This tends to swell a lot, okay? Itu anayenganiza. So add that to your water. Don't let the water come to a rolling boil. This will also help to prevent lumps. It should be lukewarm, just about to boil, okay? Yeah. Pour it in, keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. This thickens up really quick. So even before you pour it in, make sure you have a bowl of water, okay? Or a cup of water, anything. Just water beside you so that if you don't want to be too thick, it is easier for you to dilute it. So that is what I did. I added a bit of water, stirred to mix very well, and allowed it to cook, to boil, all right? So this is the consistency. But listen, it's going to thicken up again. That is semolina for you. Your friend is too Jimmy, okay? I mean, the Ghanaians understand too Jimmy. Okay, so with this same semolina, you can make your swallows, all right? Your fufus with this. So if you don't want to use plantain or cassava, this is a perfect alternative. So I diluted it a little bit, allowed it to boil for about 10 minutes, and this was ready to enjoy. So all you need to do is to add any sweetener of your choice, as well as milk of your choice. I made use of evaporated milk. I mean, why not? I have to pamper myself. It's almost Christmas, right? So this semolina breakfast, listen, the family will love it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up, a like, and share to your friends and family. See you in my next one.